Is your breastfed baby not gaining? Do you need to know how much your baby weighs and takes in when breastfeeding? This video will show you how to set up a Medela BabyWeigh Scale, how to get an exact weight of your baby, and measure your baby's breastfeeding intake. Welcome to Special Edition in Austin, Texas. I'm Debbie. I'm one of the board-certified lactation consultants here. Our video today will show you how to set up a Medela BabyWeigh Scale, get an exact weight for your baby, and measure your baby's intake while breastfeeding. Now that we have the scale out of the case, we want to find a stable and sturdy surface for the scale. We'll want to attach the electrical cord, which I've already done here. It's inside this hole here. If you're using it electrically. If you're going to use it with batteries, you'll want to unscrew this knob here, and you'll want to put six C batteries underneath the cover and then replace it. This scale weighs in grams or pounds and ounces to 1/10 of an ounce. You'll adjust it with this black button here on the right side for the unit of measurement you prefer. And then we'll want to make sure that our scale is level by making sure that the bubble is in the center of the red circle, and we'll want by adjusting these feet underneath if need be. Our next step, now that the scale is all set up for our baby, we're going to put a blanket on the scale for our baby's comfort, and this is actually the wrong way to do it. We'll get inaccurate readings if we have the blanket hanging over the edge. So we're going to fold it up and place it completely inside the scale bed. We'll take a clean diaper like our baby's wearing and put it on the scale. We're going to hit the on/0 button to zero out the blanket and the diaper. And you've heard it beep, and there's an arrow next to center 0, and it reads 0.00.0. Now it's ready for our baby to put our baby on. We're going to lift up the diaper, and you'll see a negative number. That's just the weight of the diaper. But we've got the diaper, a clean diaper, on our baby. We're going to place our baby inside the scale bed, and we're going to stay near our baby and wait for the scale to lock in. You'll see an arrow next to the lock button, and this scale reads 2.15.4. This means that this baby weighs 2 pounds, 15 ounces, and 4/10. So that's how to get an exact weight of our baby. If you want to take it a step further and find out what your baby's intake is, you'll want to use the before nursing weight gain button, and we'll push on that button and wait for it to lock in, and there's now an arrow next to the memory weight. We're going to pick up our baby, go nurse our baby. Don't change any diapers. Even if the baby has a soiled or wet diaper during the feeding, don't change it because we've already weighed that. We're going to bring our baby back, and I've got 2 bottles of water here to represent each breast that our baby's breastfeeding from. We're going to push the reweigh button, wait for it to lock, and now our baby weighs 3 pounds, 2 ounces, and 8/10. And to let the scale do the math for us, we'll use the after nursing weight gain button, and we'll push down, and you'll see that it reads 3 ounces and 4/10. And that's the intake that our baby's taken at the feeding. So now we know how to get an exact weight for our baby and to weigh how much our baby's taking in when breastfeeding. Thanks for viewing today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, or call us during our regular business hours at 888-806-BRAS. Join us by subscribing, like, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and check us out on our website at maternityandnursing.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.